Welcome back to another video. Today this video will be short. So I'm going to take you through the Byteball website. As you guys know, Byteball is a decentralized system that allows tamper-proof storage of arbitrary data. So let's get started. A cryptocurrency platform ready for real-world adoption. Click this blue button to subscribe to my newsletter, or click this white button to download wallet. Why use Byteball? ICO platform. The only ICO platform on the market that offers the complete sale of security tokens out of the box. You can read more. Developer friendly. You can read this in your spare time. Users help each other. Core features. Fair initial distribution. Completely new technology. You can download your Byteball wallet on an app, iOS, Android, Windows, Mac, Linux, and GitHub. Testnet. Testnet wallet is also available if you are a developer or want to experience the features of Byteball without spending a penny. Meet the team. Community and support. Hashtag Bitcoin and much more. Our Chinese community can be found on WeChat. Learn more. Medium, white paper, wiki, GitHub. Introduction to Byteball. There is part 1, part 2, and part 3 and part 4 stories you can read. Exchanges. You can buy or sell bytes without leaving the wallet by chatting with a trading bot. You can also trade on the exchange list below. Also, you can enter your email here to subscribe to the channel. So I'm going to end the video right here. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and don't forget to go to the WeCoins website to find more information. Thanks for watching.